Welcome friends, I am Kamal Shankar from my channel Graphic Design with Kamal. Today I want to explain you how can we shape and the corners of an image as rounded like this. How can we do that? The corners of the shape or image is rounded. How can we do that? We can do this in two different ways. One is with the shape tool, rectangle tool. We should select path, not shape, and draw a rectangle like this. Then draw the small circle inward to make the corners rounded. I think this much is enough. And next, right click, make selection, OK. Convert the selection by pressing Ctrl Shift I and then press delete. And we can get this type of shape, what is rounded. All the corners are rounded. This is one way. The other way is with the same tool, but now not path, as shape. And like previous, I am drawing the circle inward to get the corners rounded. And next, I select the image layer and place it at the top. Then holding Alt, I am clicking just when I get this sign, I am clicking the border of between the two layers, and in this way we can get a rounded corner. So we can get a rounded corner by adding rounded shapes or by adding rounded path and then converting it into selection, then Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection, and pressing delete we can get rounded corners of an image. Thank you for watching the video, and an earnest request is to subscribe my channel. Thank you.